Everyone's invited to my place. We're having a game night and playing Mario Party and Mario Kart. So we're gonna start off by shaking out our wrists because we're competitive and we want dexterity in those fingers. Let's go.
Kissy face, sent to your phone, but I'm trying to kiss your lips for
Speed
real.
this up, go.
Red hearts, that's what I'm on, yeah. Come give me something I can feel.
Donkey Kong arms big.
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just
Throw your items now. Throw that red shell right at Daisy's stupid face. Daisy, Peach, Birdo, shake it out.
Turn this APT into a club. I'm talking drinks, smoke free, party all night. Come on, gumbe, go, what's up?
Donkey Kong arms.
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just
Throw your items, go. It's the second circuit. Hey, so now we're gonna switch the game. We're gonna play Mario Party. So hold up your star and say, "Don't steal my star, boom! Don't steal my star." God, that's a nice star you have. Bigger. Take it back. Don't steal my star. We thought it was gonna be Boo that stole our star, but it was Haley.
Don't you want me like I want you, baby?
Why?
Don't you need me like I need you now?
Donkey Kong arms.
Go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me.
Last time. We're on the third circuit. It's time to pull out all the stops. You know what I'm talking about. Grab your blue shell. Honk that horn.
Just meet me
Whoa! I think I skinned my shin.